Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I'll bring everyday news for all of you. As of yesterday, 14,371 new corona cases reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 1.77 lakhs. As of yesterday, 98.68 crore Indian got vaccinated. Five states which account for almost 50% of cases are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Mizoram and West Bengal. Yesterday in Kerala, 7,643 new corona cases reported. Mumbai yesterday 313 new corona cases reported. At least 25 deaths were confirmed in Nainital district on Tuesday as heavy rain continued to batter Uttarakhand, leading to heavy floods, landslide and massive destruction to property, especially in the hills of Kumaon. Stressing that the prevailing politics of hate can be changed by women in politics, AIC General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi made her first move in run up to UP election and announced that Congress will reserve 40% tickets for women candidates. Rain battered Kerala is set to get more rain on Wednesday as per IMD reports. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated International Airport at Kushinagar in UP with the arrival of 100 Buddhist monks from Colombo from Sri Lanka. This place is important from religious tourism point of view since Kushinagar is a place where Lord Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana. In Mumbai, is Mumbai returning to normalcy? If the data provided by Zonal Railways and BST is any indication, then it is yes. Zonal Railways informed that on Monday it crossed 60 lakhs passenger mark and BST, which is the running buses in Mumbai, has carried 26.98 lakhs passengers on Monday. Hindustan Unilever Limited, one of the leading consumer goods company, has reported 8.86% increase in net profit to rupees 2,187 crore for the quarter ending September 2021. The benchmark Sensex and Nifty ended in losses for the first time in 8 seasons on Tuesday amid profit booking by the investors, and BSE Sensex closed 49 points below the previous day closed and closed at 61,716 points. $1 was equal to 75.13 rupees. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.